GIACOMINI, a company with decades of experience in radiant comfort, is pleased to show you some developments for heating and cooling floors. First, a project of the installation is required, with clear indications regarding the position of the manifolds, the number of the circuits, the run of the pipes, and their distance. Now, the different phases of the installation. When the risers are installed, cabinets and manifolds are located as indicated in the drawing. At this stage, we suggest sticking on the labels, indicating the destination of the circuits. The next step is the placing of the wall insulation, which is designed to keep separate the structure and the floor for easy thermal expansion. Signs located at different levels of the insulation strip allow simple cutting to the height required. Draining pipes and electrical circuits should already be located inside the slab. When this is not possible, they can be located along the inside walls so that they do not interfere with the floor output. In all cases, they have to be covered with waterproof materials, at least a foil of polythene as shown in this film. Pipes are usually of polybutylene or PEX. Using the correct adapters, properly lubricated, one end of the pipe is connected to the flow manifold. The pipe is then laid down following the indications of the drawing. The spiral shape is best because of the lower stress to which the pipe is submitted when compared to other shapes. A useful note: pipe distance during the first part of the distribution, outside-inside, has to be twice the designed value. This is to allow for the space for the return pipe. To cross the thresholds from one room to another, it is suggested to use a protective sleeve as shown in these pictures. When the circuits are finished, the pipes are connected to the return manifold. The next step is filling the circuits with water. To vent the air from the pipes, all the circuits are closed, and then, opening one at a time, water is supplied from the cock on the flow manifold and is discharged from the return until the bubbles of air are visible. Then the circuit is closed, either on the flow or the return, and the next circuit is filled. At the end of this operation, the system is pressurized to 6 bar and left at that pressure until the completion of the floor covering. When the installation is also designed for summer cooling, the support of the dew point sensor is located inside the screed, close to the manifold, where the risk of condensation is higher. In addition to the highly popular and well-known Giacomini manifold made in one piece from special brass bar, there is a new, interesting model of modular manifold with bayonet connection. This solution allows the connection of a variable number of circuits. It has a pair of threaded end connections and intermediate modules. They are capable of wide rotation, close to a 90-degree angle, without leakage. The same manifolds can also have an integrated flow meter for each circuit, which allows the metering of the flow during the balancing of the built-in lock shields. Room temperature is controlled by means of room thermostats activating special electric heads. Removing the hand wheel from the manifold and installing the actuators on the top using adapters makes their installation easy. The actuator can be snapped on by simply rotating the head by 15 degrees. For more sophisticated controls, especially when the electrical actuators do not have an end switch, a PM100 unit is available for intelligent control. The main control of the installation consists of an electronic compensator having an outside temperature sensor, flow temperature sensor, dew point sensor, and a zone control module. Simply by using special software loaded in the laptop and an interface, it is possible to modify the controlling parameters. By means of a proportional actuator and a 3-way valve, the flow temperature is then controlled. For installations without summer cooling, there is a special kit, article R557, allowing water at a fixed temperature. It is selected by rotating a thermostatic head. Room thermostats control the temperature of the single zones by actuating the electrical heads. A safety sensor, capable of cutting the operation of the pump when the flow temperature is out of control, protects the floors. For large surfaces, we recommend the use of an on-off 3-way valve directly installed onto the manifolds. Plastic bars and pipe supports allow the distribution for differing pipe distances. For commercial installations, we recommend the use of steel mesh to prevent exceeding loads affecting the floor. Giacomini, always one step ahead in technical and practical solutions.